The management of the University of Fort Hare has shut down the institution's operations.
Fort Hare University has shut down and ordered students to vacate its.
I understand that a lot of infrastructure from the institution has been destroyed.
The staff center has been affected
At that very historic institution.
There are certain documents that were destroyed in terms of the institutional memories. Those graduation lists that were done nicely in the booklets, those that were in exams definitely were destroyed. This was an unfortunate incident, but most of our records were saved because of the strong rooms that we have.
My job here at University of Fort Hare is to make sure that all the student records are safe, the physical documents, including the electronic records in the system. The University of Fort Hare contains 3 strong rooms on the basement area, and we have the oldest student records storage, which is it contains about documents from 1997 to 1916.
This is 1971. You see, it's written in Afrikaans. A strong room is both fire and water proof. As an institution with more than 100 years, you'll find that there are records that are in bunkers and also other strong rooms. All those records are intact. They have not been destroyed. That includes the student records of the first students that registered in the university. We have got all that documentation. Now, what we're currently doing in line with the strategy of the university, that is to automate and also to digitalize the processes.
There's machines that we procured here, scanning machine, OCR scanners, which are fit for purpose. They comply with the set of standards by the National Archives and Record Services of South Africa to ensure that our digitization efforts meet all the requirements, that is archival requirements. The legislations are also included. This year we managed to procure about 7 machines, and going forward we are intending to procure more. Judging from the volume of the documents that we need to digitize, we don't know. We anticipate maybe it's going to be a 5-year project, but we are trying to push the best way possible.
We want to assure our alumni, our graduates, that we can confer all the qualifications of the people that have graduated from the university. From the university system, we are able to pick up those. Even with the employers currently, what we're doing, because after the event, the incidents, we began to receive a number of inquiries that we must confirm certain qualifications. And we have done that with no hesitation, and there were no issues. We have confirmed the graduate. Now, for 2026, University of Fort Hare will be introducing e-certificates. The certificates will be available online. Even our former graduates are going to be in a position to request the e-certificate. And our certificates being in blockchain, the latest technology, that is according to international standards with 14 security features. So that is in line with the renewal agenda of the university.